What is up, guys? It is Tool Guy Y here, and today I'll be doing an unboxing and showing you guys the operation of the Craftsman battery powered sprayer. Let's get into it. Alright guys, so this is the Craftsman battery powered sprayer, and it could be used for a lot of things. Most of you guys are going to be using it for gardening and pesticides, weed killing and whatnot. However, I'm going to be using it for degreaser. I like to actually clean my stall and clean the oil leaks and whatnot on a car, and I just spray it down with degreaser, and I just wash it off after that. I used to use the pesticide sprayer, the hand pump one. However, that one broke because it does get clogged. So I ended up looking into more battery powered sprayers. I was looking at a couple other ones, Ryobi. I know they're coming out with a new one, and I was checking out other ones, but I decided to go with this. So there's a couple reasons as to why I actually bought this. And the first reason is that it comes with a wand. It's not a long wand, but it's a wand. It'll work. And the second reason is that with the pesticide sprayer, the weed killer sprayer, the Roundup sprayer, it was very bulky, so I didn't have space in my toolbox to actually store it. So it's always out, it's on top of my box, it's in the way. This right here is just the wand and the gun and the spout. That's all it is. And it's great because it hooks up to most 1 gallon bottles, which I have here. So we're gonna be testing that out today. It does spray up to 20 feet, or it claims to spray up to 20 feet. We're going to be testing that out in a little bit. And if you do decide to use it for pesticides, it will run continuously on 2 AA batteries for 60 minutes. The only thing that I see as a downfall for this is that it runs on 4 AA batteries. I wish it was rechargeable. That would have been really nice and really convenient. However, nowadays it's not too hard to find rechargeable AA batteries, so that's not really a big deal to me. So instructions are very easy. All you have to do is just replace the cap with the universal cap provided on the Craftsman sprayer. Connect it. Just squeeze the trigger and it sprays out. When you're done though, you have to remove it and also flush the sprayer. Flushing the sprayer is actually very important. The reason why my other one broke is because I didn't flush it out all the time. So the last reason I actually bought this was because it's actually very cheap. It's worth the gamble. I usually don't get Craftsman most of the time. However, this thing ran $7, so I decided to give it a try. And for the other reasons, it's very small and whatnot. I haven't seen a review on it yet, so I'm hoping this gets out there. I hope you guys can see what you're expecting or what you're gonna buy, what you're expecting if you're gonna buy it. And this is what it comes with. That's all. Box is empty. You got the cap. You got a gun and wand and an attachment. So you got a locking trigger or locking mechanism right here. Okay, out of the box, pull the tab so you can get to work, and you can hear it working already. Alright guys, so I'm gonna use the coolant bottle. This is the biggest coolant bottle I found. It's a 1 gallon bottle. So we're gonna see if it fits on it. This is what I was worried about, if it's gonna fit or if it's not gonna fit. Like I said before, it is a universal one, so hopefully it should fit. And it does. Alright guys, so I filled it up, and let's see, all you have to do to get this to work is you just unravel that. And if you look right here, all it does is snaps in place. So we're just gonna snap it in place like so. There you go. And I believe to remove, all you have to do is pinch these 2 tabs right here. Yep, just pinch these 2 tabs and you can remove it. Okay, and then I'll see you guys outside. Alright guys, so I got it hooked up right here, and let's see how well it works. So we're gonna unlock it, and then so it shoots out really nice. It's a nice jet stream, a stream like that. I don't know if you can see that, but it's a pretty nice stream. So I guess in this form, the stream, you can actually probably hit 20 feet. I don't know if you guys can see this, but it's actually almost by my car. It's maybe right before the gate. And the other good thing about this is that you can actually, if you don't want to stream, you can actually put it into spray. So that's really nice too. And just spray it down. So I'm going to be actually using this for degreaser. So I mean, that should be working pretty fine for me at work, but it looks pretty good. There you guys have it, the Craftsman spreader. Not too bad. If you liked or found this video informative, please support me by smashing that like button and subscribing to my channel for more how-to and tool review videos. Also check me out on Instagram at ToolGuyY, where I post daily. Thank you guys again for watching, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Shoots!